And good morning guys. Ayan, nagluluto ako ng maha guys para sa Christmas party. Ayan, ito po yung middle ng paggawa ng maha. Maha blanca. Mekos-mekos lang yan guys. Guys, bakit ang maluto guys? Yung maha blanca. Nilagyan ko ng mani, corn kernel, for special guys. Sarap nito guys. So, ayan guys, luto na yung maha blanca natin. Toppings natin yung crushed na peanut. So, yun. Peanut. Tsaka yung cheese, guys. Cheese. Cheese. Yan. Thank you for watching guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye.